Introducing the brand new 2026 Skoda Elroq 85 Sportline 5-door auto in a stunning green colour. This sleek hatchback is not just stylish, but also environmentally friendly with its electric fuel type. With an automatic transmission, driving this beauty is a breeze. Packed with an array of comfort and safety features, this Skoda Elroq is not just a car, but a driving experience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has everything you need for a smooth and safe journey. The exterior features like Towbar Preparation and interior features like cup holders and luxury trim add to the overall appeal and functionality of this car. With styling and security features like privacy glass and spoiler, this Skoda Elroq is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information on the 2026 Skoda Elroq 85 Sportline 5-door auto. Upgrade your driving experience with Skoda.